they come with every meal.
La 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 la. Here's your key, so check right in. Let your furry stay begin. Welcome to the Furchester Hotel.
Problem, Parrot?
Now, I just need your paw print, Miss Puff Whiskers.
Meow.
There we are, all checked in.
Oh, meow, thank you. Oh, by the way, you haven't got any, dog stain here, have you?
Oh, no, Miss Puff Whiskers. We have no dog guests at the moment.
Oh, that's a relief. I just don't feel like being chased.
Oh, I understand completely. Enjoy your stay.
Meow.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hi, I'd like a room, please.
Oh, with fleas or without?
Without. There aren't any, cats in this hotel, are there? I came to relax, not chase cats.
Oh, no. No cat staying here at the moment. Right. I've got a dog house with a chew toy on the 5th floor.
Perfect.
Hello, Miss Twitcher. A very good morning to you. How may I help you?
Would you mind watching my parrot Monty for me today? I'm playing golf and it's simply not his game.
Leave Monty with us. We run an excellent parrot sitting service.
Oh, thank you. Mummy'll see you later, Monty.
I'll just tell Fergus. Fergus? Where did he go? Fergus! Fergus? Fergus!
Fergus! Fergus! Did you call me? Fenella? Fenella! Fenella! Fenella!
Vanilla? Vanilla?
Fergus? Did you call? Fergus!
Fergus? Vanilla?
Fergus?
Fenella!
Fergus!
Fenella!
Fergus!
Fenella!
Fergus?
Oh!
Did you call me?
No, you called me!
No, you called me.
The parrot!
Ah, parrot.
Can he talk?
Can he talk?
Oh, he repeats everything you say.
He repeats everything you say. Wow!
Oh, Miss Puff Whiskers.
You're a cat!
Well, of course she's a cat, dear. Is there a problem, Miss Puff Whiskers?
I thought I smelled a dog. I thought you said there were no dogs around here.
Dogs? No, there aren't any dogs.
Well, actually...
Just a
dear,
minute, Fergus.
Oh, that's a relief. Just for once, I'd like to eat my lunch without being chased. Meow. Meow.
Hey, did I just hear a meow?
But you're
Yes, dear. I checked in a dog.
Meow.
Oh, silly me. It was just a parrot.
Oh, but I told the cat there weren't any dogs here.
And I told the dog that there weren't any cats here.
We'll just have to keep them apart.
Yes, they won't even know the other one is here.
Meow. Ruff. Meow. Ruff. You said there were no dogs here.
You said there were no cats here.
Oh, give me a head start.
You try and catch the dog, Elmo, and I'll try and catch the cat.
Oh, dear! This is not going well. Oh, what else can go wrong? Monty, please don't gong.
Well, At least he's not meowing.
Meow.
Miss Puff Whiskers! I'm torturing my paper.
I thought this out. Stop! We have a huge problem. The parrot won't stop repeating everything he hears. This is a catastrophe.
A catastrophe?
It's more than just a slip-up or a mess-up or a mishap. A Furchester catastrophe. We need to fix it fastrophe and put it in the apostrophe. This simply cannot lastrophe. A Furchester catastrophe. The problem is so vastrophe. We're really flabbergastrophe. Let's ding the bell for blastrophe. Catastrophe, catastrophe. Catastrophe, catastrophe, catastrophe. Fix it fastrophe, catastrophe, catastrophe. Oh, it's an apostrophe. It's a catastrophe. What a disaster. It's a catastrophe.
Now, if you'd all just please go about your business, we'll try to solve this problem. Everything is under control.
Now, how are we going to get this parrot to stop repeating everything?
Right, let's put our furry heads together and think.
Maybe we could... I know! What if we get Monty something to eat? He can't talk with his mouth full.
True, that wouldn't be polite.
Parrots like crackers.
Yes, let's ask Cookie Monster for some crackers. Cookie! Cookie!
Cookie! Cookie!
Cookies? Where? Where you got cookies?
No cookies, Cookie Monster. We need some crackers, please.
Right. You sure you no got cookies?
No cookies.
Gotcha.
Cookies!
Cookies! Where? Where the cookies?
Cookie Monster, that's just the parrot.
Oh, the parrot. Me go get crackers.
Thanks, Cookie! Cookie!
Cookies! Where are the cookies?
It's the parrot!
Oh, right. Yeah, me knew that. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. Oh, and me all out of crackers. Bye-bye.
Now what do we do? The parrot keeps saying meow, woof, gong, and cookie.
Fuzzer-wubber! I've got a monster idea, Mum. Well, what if we teach the parrot to say something helpful?
Of course, but what?
Oh, welcome to the Furchester Hotel.
That's it. And you say, welcome to the Furchester Hotel.
Welcome to the Furchester Hotel.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Furchester Hotel.
Well, thank you. Isn't it nice to be seen in such a polite and friendly hotel?
We solved the problem. Well done, Phoebe.
Yay!
Oh, hello, Miss Furchester. I do hope my parrot hasn't been too much trouble.
Oh, no trouble at all, Miss Twitcher.
Welcome to the Furchester Hotel. Oh, goodness. Isn't that amazing? How was your day?
Oh, wonderful. There are so many interesting sounds to repeat here.
What?
Well, he talks normally.
Oh, yes.
Well, he's been repeating everything we say.
Oh, that's my Monty. He loves repeating things. Don't you, dear?
Oh, yes. There are so many new and fun things to repeat here. Travel is so broadening, isn't it? Now, let's see. First there was, roof, roof. And then there's meow, meow. And then there was, gong, gong. Oh, and cookie.
Oh, dear.
Where cookie? Oh, cookie!
You really can't be going. Oh, say it isn't true.
The Furchester will never be as furry without you.